Hey, what's up everyone? So I wanted to make this quick video because I've been a little frustrated with this one thing I've noticed a lot about the janitorial industry. As a matter of fact, a lot of industries are like this, and I just wanted to create this pro tip for you guys, so hopefully you guys can take this and run with it because it's way too common, and if you go ahead and apply it, you're going to go ahead and separate yourself from the rest of the competition. So I'll give you guys a backstory on why it is that I'm making this video. So I'm making this video because right now, as you guys know, I have a janitorial company. We do residential and commercial, and we've been getting into government contracting. So we've been calling around to other states, and we're pretty much just trying to form partnerships with companies for contracts that we have access to that are set aside for service disabled veterans. So as you guys know, I served in the military, or you guys probably don't know, I've never disclosed that on the internet. But long story short, we've noticed that when we call, a lot of people do not pick up, or let alone return a phone call. That is no way to run a business whatsoever, no matter what level you're in, even if you're starting out, or even worse, some of these businesses look established, a nice website, high review count, etc. That is really bad. You're leaving a ton of money on the table. So one way to go about this is really simple. You can pay a answering service. Now, there are many different services, two that I've used in the past. I think the one we're using right now, don't quote me on the name, but I want to say it is Reception HQ. I'll include the link somewhere down here, but yeah, I'm almost positive it's Reception HQ. And they have many different kind of plans. Now, you have the kind that they charge you by the amount of calls, which I like that personally because some of these calls are spam calls, and you can go ahead and you can fight those and get reimbursement for it. Then they also have the kind of plan where they charge you per minute that the reception is on the phone. I personally don't like that because sometimes people just call and they just like to chat a lot, and it just runs up your your account balance. So to each their own. I personally go by the amount of phone calls that we get per month. So what you can do, you can shop around. We had another one called Pat Live. I didn't really like them. They were per minute. They're a good company. I have nothing bad to say about them, and I'm not bashing them in any way. They just didn't fit my plan. Now, they have plans for budgets of all sizes. If you're starting out and your company only gets like 50 phone calls, it's like $50 a month. If you get 100 phone calls, then it's like 75, and then if you get way more, like it goes all the way up to like 1,000 a month, if I'm not mistaken. So don't quote me on those numbers. I'm gonna include the link below so you can go do your own research. But please, if you're running a business, answer your phone and return the phone call. You're leaving money on the table, and you never know who could be on the other line of the phone call. You know, like you're just leaving so much money on the table. Like that's the only way I can say it. Hopefully this helps. I was driving back right now. I'm in New York. It's raining, it's pouring, and I was like, somebody out there does not know this information, does not know that these kind of services exist, and they're running a business, and they're busy being a business owner, and they're just not able to get to their phone and return a call. So if that is you, then hopefully this video helps you out. Like I said, the links for the companies will be below, and if they help, great. Let me know what you guys want to see as far as like tips for like knowing how to run a janitorial company, knowing how to start a maid service, how to get into government contracting. I'm considering documenting step by step what we're doing. We pretty much got registered in stamp.gov, got our cage code, and now we're submitting bids, getting proposals, and pretty much working towards our first contract. So yeah, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, which is flipping_Brooklyn_, if I'm not mistaken. I will also include that in the bottom. And yeah, thanks you guys for watching my video, and hope to see you soon on the next one.